Here we go, southbound on Grand Avenue, Sky Lofts Tower on the right. You can come on 8th Street or Grand. Here is Sky. A nice porte cochere for when it's raining so you don't get wet, and a beautiful waterfall. Welcome to Unit 1310 of Sky Lofts. What a dramatic entry. 3 bedrooms, count them 3, and 3 bathrooms. Dining area, which has a beautiful view toward the east. This is one of the larger lofts in downtown, 1,930 square feet. Originally, this loft was entirely open. A previous owner installed these dividers. They don't go all the way to the ceiling, but they create privacy. The bed area, 2 bedrooms, with a view, which is a good thing to wake up to as the sun is rising. Huge bathroom with a tub and a separate shower, as well as 2 basins. Toilet has its very own closet. Conveniently, the big walk-in closet. Give you an idea of size. It has operable windows. In the winter, you can see snow on the mountains. The blinds are also in both bedrooms. If I lived here, I would be doing this all day long. Brand new washer and dryer from Bosch with space to put your vacuum, your mop, your bucket, and your broom. Brand new Bosch electric stove, Bosch dishwasher, which is very, very quiet. This is a beautiful French door style refrigerator by Capet. It's nice. You'll get your stretching in too. The owner recently added this pantry. It's a cook's kitchen. This opens into the dining area and the living room, so this is a great place to hold a party. Look at these beautiful floors. Here is a bedroom. The great thing about this room is it has a lot of functions. It's a library, it's a study, it could be a full-time bedroom, floor to ceiling bookshelves. In a loft, storage space is often non-existent. There's built-ins in the library. This is something great. It has a Murphy bed, which was recently installed. And there you have it. We're in downtown Los Angeles. It's a city. There's noises on the street. Here you don't hear any of them. A great place to meditate. Have you ever lived in a building where people don't talk to each other? Well, they do here. This is a Sky Lofts community room. It has a full kitchen, so you can cook dinner for everybody. And you can also rent this out for private parties. The gym, and quite a gym it is. Lots of cardio, free weights, which is pretty unusual for a condo association, and great machines. Julius Schulman was the most famous architectural photographer of the 20th century, and Jeff and Harlan Lee, the original developers of Sky Lofts, were his friends. This is the permanent exhibition of Julius Schulman. Sky Lofts is super convenient. It's right across from the Whole Foods as well as CVS. Ralph's is only a block away. You're going to spend a lot of money on food living in this unit. Only a block away is Bottega Louie, one of the most popular restaurants in Southern California. If you like the video tour, you'll like it even more when you visit in person. I'm selling this to one of my friends, you. So text me. Let's make an appointment. 213-440-0242. Sky Lofts is a dog-friendly community, and cats too. The unit comes with 2 deeded parking spaces, which are in the adjacent structure. Security, gates down. There's a dog potty too. Down from the elevator and go right through the building into the garage without ever hitting the street for when it's raining. How easy is that?